welcome! Hope you're having a good weekend. So, the carrot cider. Whoa. So we started this about 4 weeks ago and it has been sitting for about a week. My bad, but at the same time, it's okay to leave it on the yeast a little bit. So that extra week has just settled everything out, just to make sure. So it's time to bottle this up and of course, try it. So we're going to have a bit of fun tasting this, but first things first, we need to see what the alcohol is. So I've got my sterilized hydrometer, because I've gone ahead and sterilized everything to make the video quicker, and so you don't get bored watching me sterilize stuff. So let's see what it reads. It smells good actually. I can really smell pears, so whoa. So with our hydrometer settled out, it is at 1, so that means we've got an alcohol percentage of about 4%, so not so bad. So I'm going to go ahead and bottle them up in, of course, plastic bottles. Happen to be sparkling water, my favourite. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. We'll be right back. So the siphoning has been completed, and from our 1 gallon demijohn, we have got 4 litres and a little bit to try. The rest in the bottom you don't want. I mean, it's all yummy. Maybe you do, but it will make you fart like a beast, so probably best not to drink it. So because this cider actually stopped right about 1, which was a bit strange, normally they go down to 9.90, but it stopped at 1, and I have to say, it's already pretty much good to go. If you like a dry cider, then don't do anything to it. About 1 is perfectly fine. And it's really good to drink pretty much straight out the glass. Now I do like my sweeter ciders recently. Yeah. So I've added a little bit of sweetness to it. But at the same time, because we didn't go through the trouble of adding acids and more tannin to it, it's a quick, easy drinking cider. But I'm going to be carbonating these bottles. Oh yes. Because I can, and because I want to. So what I've got is some sugar, just plain old sugar, and a teaspoon. Now usually, I'm not a great fan of high carbonation, but I know that I'm going to be taking this over to a friend's house, so might as well make it all sparkly. So instead of using my usual 1 teaspoon per litre, I'm actually going to be using 2 teaspoons per litre. And there is relatively quite a lot of sugar used for carbonation, but at the same time, cider can take a lot of carbonation. It absolutely loves storing CO2. So I'm going to use the trusty finger funnel. I'm going to dump in 4 teaspoons. Oh. And of course, because we don't want to kill our yeast, we need to dissolve the sugar. It makes it easily fermentable. And the same with this one. So all of our sugar has been added in and shaken up, so it's all dissolved so the yeast can do its work. Now, as a bit of a word of warning, we are using kind of a lot of sugar in a sealed container. So at about day 4, start checking it just to have a little look. And if you notice that these lines have disappeared, stick it in the fridge. It's done. You don't need to do anything else. It should take about 7 days in total. But apart from that, we are done. You should have some lovely, beautiful carbonated cider that's going to taste really good. Because it tastes really good now. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out some of the other ones, and of course, subscribe if you feel like it. And carry on homebrewing, guys. See you later. So I just want to take a second to thank my patrons. They're helping me grow the channel, upgrade my equipment, all of that fantastic stuff. And as a thank you to them and for future patrons, I also do 4 Patreon-only videos per month. So, it's pretty handy if you want a little bit extra. So, there's some other links to videos down below, and of course the Patreon and subscribe button. Don't forget to check those out. See ya.